Welcome to Healing Bites. In this video, we're diving into 5 common mistakes women often make during their periods, mistakes that could lead to issues like PCOD, thyroid imbalances, UTIs, and even worsen PMS symptoms like cramps, fatigue, and bloating. But don't worry, we'll also explore easy, natural ways to avoid these missteps and embrace your cycle with more ease and confidence. Let's get started. What you eat during your period can shape your entire experience. In Ayurveda, warm, nourishing foods are essential for a smooth menstrual flow. That's why traditional meals often include sesame seeds, jaggery, dried coconut, and warm herbal teas. However, many women today unknowingly eat foods that disrupt this process, like cold drinks, ice cream, raw salads at night, or green tea in excess. Even healthy nuts like almonds can cause dryness if not soaked properly. And here's a fact you may not know: a deficiency in magnesium can intensify PMS symptoms, and this often happens due to frequent consumption of soft drinks or alcohol. The solution? Go green. Include veggies from the gourd family, green leafy vegetables, and turmeric water in your routine. Try sipping on ginger tea and avoid heavy, fried meals. While it may sound old-fashioned, Ayurveda strongly advises against washing your hair during the first few days of menstruation. Pouring cold water over the head drops the temperature of the upper body, causing heat to shift upward, opposing the natural downward flow needed during periods. This can disrupt your cycle and even affect ovulation. If a bath is necessary, opt for a quick, warm body rinse and avoid pouring water on your head. To relax even more, add a spoonful of Epsom salt to your bath water. It soothes cramps and promotes better sleep. It's tempting to keep up with your regular workout, but during your period, your body needs more rest. Light activity like walking, gentle stretching, or 10 minutes of pranayama can work wonders. But high-intensity workouts and yoga poses where your legs are elevated should be avoided. Ignoring this can lead to long-term issues like irregular periods or even PCOD. Remember, honoring your body's need for rest isn't laziness, it's smart self-care. This one is often ignored, but it matters. Many women report having sex during their periods, but Ayurveda and even modern experts caution against it, especially during the first 3 days. The risk of infections increases as the cervix is slightly more open, and viruses can spread more easily through menstrual blood. For both partners, it's safer to wait. Your body is in cleanse mode, and respecting that process is key to long-term reproductive health. Let's talk about what's really in those bright white sanitary pads. They're not naturally white, they're chemically bleached. Many brands contain toxins like dioxins and VOCs, which are hormone disruptors and potentially cancer-causing. Shockingly, these chemicals get absorbed 20 times faster through the vaginal wall than through your mouth. The safer alternatives? Switch to organic, biodegradable pads, cloth pads, or even menstrual cups. Also, don't wear one pad for too long. Change it every 4 to 8 hours to prevent infections caused by trapped moisture and bacteria. To recap: eat warm, easy-to-digest meals. Skip the head bath. Rest more, move gently. Avoid intimacy during heavy flow. Switch to natural period products. Remember, your menstrual cycle is not a curse, it's a powerful monthly reset. The more we care for our bodies during this time, the more balanced and pain-free our cycles become. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. This is Healing Bites, where we blend ancient wisdom with modern wellness. See you in the next one.